Welcome back guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today I would like to talk about Arbitrum updates with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Before I start analyzing the charts, I would like to remind you, so till end of November, I got a minus 50% Black Friday deal for all custom indicators set, all plans, and the lifetime include. So you remember the intention accumulation pump model for Arbitrum since March 2023, listing on the Binance, everything playing out perfectly well. Of course, not so brightful like, for example, SUI, but anyway, from 61 level FIP, Arbitrum pumped at 200%. SUI, of course, perform much better, and we dump it and invalidate that idea. So honestly, we can delete that feed because model invalidated. At this present moment, we can't confirm that was a real bottom for Arbitrum. That's why, guys, the problem with this zone and this zone, when we're breaking out some crucial level, there's open space, this open space and this open space. The same story like with BTC now. So when we're breaking out the all-time high, the people start thinking, oh, 82 will be the top. 90 will be the top, 92 will be the top, 95 will be the top, open short position, liquidation. Get it. Now we traded today at 98. We can't know in a moment, are this a real top, local or middle term targets top for BTC or not? Because maybe in New York session, today we'll see another high. That's the problem, guys. The same story with Arbitrum. So at this current moment, yes, this is a low. So let's say it's 42 cents, 82. I skip it. Arbitrum, yes, I told you in a previous video, so I would like to buy Arbitrum, but I skip it because I focus now on Outlier and Omni. So congrats everybody who took a risk and bought Arbitrum at 50 cents or 59 or this one 45, for example. You made the right decision, and now after 100%, like, you know, you can withdraw initial deposit. So technically at 92.23, you can withdraw initial deposit. If you catch the knife here, you can fix your profit at 86. So I will be not surprised if we will see the rejection exactly at this fulfill of weekly gap, like 104%, this one, and going down. Why we can go down? Because I think, of course, it's just my humble opinion, at the beginning of December, I think we'll see the correction. First 2 weeks, I think we'll see the correction because of seasonality, and after that, maybe we'll see the continuation at some Santa rally for alts. If BTC dominance will start going down and BTC will be some like in a range in reaccumulation, right, before the next legs up. And yes, looks like BTC will be over the 100K next year. I don't think so we'll see BTC over 100K this year, but everything possible. Now we hold the line at weekly open. This is a monthly open. So a perfect scenario will be for Arbitrum if we'll see something like this one at the beginning of December, test monthly open, previous one, you know, this one, I mean November, and going higher. So this is going to be the perfect scenario for Arbitrum. But guys, keep in mind, we can see something like this one also. Unfortunately, yes, because this is a structure, can be like this. I don't want to scare you, you know, we just work with possibilities, guys. I'm not bullish or bearish for some tokens. I just analyze the real momentum, the real charts, and the zones where okay zone to buy back, where it's okay zone to fix some profits. So take a look, the yearly open, this one, $1.56, will be like a crucial zone like resistance. Previously, we'd playing out like support, and we crashed it down. Here was a resistance, yearly open. Coins perform like 3,000, 5,000, you know, this previous cycles. So let's say 3,000% gains from that low, if this is a low, right? Because in a moment, we can't know. It can be like $13. Now in a moment, we can't know where the Arbitrum will stop. So if, let's say, this was a real bottom, all right, let's use the basic FIB. So this was a bottom, this one, this is a bottom, this is a top. So 0.5 around the yearly open, $1.42 and $1.66, it can be the correction, just a correction for this downtrend FIB. If this was the real bottom, right? So this is what I'm talking about. So we can go like this one, hold the line and going higher. Trade sometimes period in this range and going higher. So based on this FIB, $3.65, $5.65, $7.65. Yes, you can write me. There will be a pretty big capitalization. Of course, yes, but guys, the Shiba Inu get like 40 billion market cap. So why the Arbitrum can have the bigger one? This is a zone for correction. And I hope it was a real bottom in August 2024, because a lot of tokens, for example, already formed something like this one. So I hope the Arbitrum will be not that one. So the resistance block is here. This is going to be the perfect scenario, bullish one. I would like to now take a pause, take a look what's going on with the alt, what's going on with Ethereum BTC trading pair, and take a look on next week and the first 2 weeks of December. Let's take a look with my customer set. What's going on now with Arbitrum? It was accumulation, biggest one. Now it's a distribution. That's why I would like to see one more time accumulation. So direction and weekly, definitely not time to out of that assets. Time to accumulate. All this same period is money inflow, so accumulation. This is a capitulation on Arbitrum on the weekly time frame. Good one. This is disbelief on a weekly time frame. Bullish. So a lot of bullish signals, guys. So sooner or later, I think we'll see a bounce on Ethereum BTC. Not that like today. And I think all alts perform. How high alts perform? We can't know in a moment. It was signal to sell on a weekly buyback, bounce. 1, 2, 3 buyback, bounce. So I think we will see the rejection around this block, 88 and 82. Sure. So if we will go and breaking out over them $1.30, yes, then we can drop and build a new trend. Now we are in a downtrend. But anyway, it's going to be just a local structure, because global one is still like this one. So it can be even more like this one. And only after that, recover back and going higher. So that's the case, guys. Now, still a downtrend structure. Last indicator is take profit. If you look on the weekly node data, on the daily one is here. We try and breaking out the take profit line and take a look. The exit line for Arbitrum going to be 84.52. And yes, we can close the full fill of weekly gap. After that, here the buy line at this moment 37.70, 12 time frame. Here also the exit line is around the 87.53 on exit line on 12 time frame. Buy line on 12 time frame, it's at 38.47 at this current moment. So I hope we'll see something like this one and going higher. So retested around the beginning of December. So this is my take for Arbitrum. You know, I am more than sure Arbitrum will show us the new all-time high next year. So guys, all targets, all zones of accumulation, local one I showed you, the next main resistance zones I showed you, and the targets for potential all-time high for Arbitrum also I showed you. If you would like to trade with my customer set or showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.